Hello and welcome to the Daily Thunk. In today's video, we're going to try to surprise you with 5 facts you didn't know about trees. Fact number 1. Trees sleep at night just like us. Trees are literally asleep at night. Just as humans do, trees rest and rejuvenate during nighttime hours. Trees need to absorb water from the soil into their roots in order to grow. During the day, when temperatures are high, these roots can only absorb water at a slow rate, so much so that it would take many days for them to be fully hydrated again, if not for their nighttime slumber cycle. Although we might think of ourselves as being more alive than trees, both plants and animals share something called metabolism, essentially meaning that they require food through photosynthesis in plants or digestion in animals. Trees use carbohydrates like glucose instead of oxygen like us during respiration process, which happens naturally during daytime hours when sunlight hits leaves directly overhead, but doesn't necessarily happen very efficiently during nighttime hours, when most tree branches aren't illuminated directly overhead either way. Fact number 2. Trees can live for thousands of years. The oldest living tree on record is a bristlecone pine, older than 4,600 years in the White Mountains of California. Bristlecones grow very slowly and have been known to live for thousands of years, so it's no surprise that this particular one has been around since long before Jesus Christ was born. The exact location where this amazing tree lives is kept secret by its owners, who are worried that too many people trying to see it could damage the ancient tree's roots. Fact number 3. A single mature tree produces approximately 260 pounds of oxygen every year. Trees are a source of oxygen, food, shelter, and fuel. They also provide medicine and other benefits. A single mature tree produces approximately 260 pounds of oxygen every year. That's enough to sustain a family of 4. Fact number 4. The most widely distributed tree on Earth. The quaking aspen is the most widely distributed tree on Earth, and it can be found in every state of the United States. The reason for this is not because humans love it so much, rather it has roots that are very shallow, making it easy to take root wherever they fall. This tree spreads quickly and often becomes a pest because its extensive root system can cause damage to buildings or other trees when they grow in close proximity. It's also known as aspen, common aspen, or the European aspen. Fact number 5. More than 70% of all insects live in trees. Trees are the most common place where insects can live, lay eggs, and shelter themselves. They also provide food for their young. Trees are the most important habitat for many species of animals because they provide food, shelter from predators, and because of this, more than 70% of all the world's insects live in trees. Trees are an essential part of our world, and we need to take care of them as much as possible. Did you already know any of these facts? Which one surprised you the most? Do you have any interesting facts about trees yourself? Do please leave a comment below, and while you're there, we'd really love it if you could take a moment to leave us a like. We post short videos like this every weekday, so please consider subscribing so we can look forward to joining you again in our next video.